Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today this video is sponsored by Foxy Productions. That's why they give me this type of money to buy this 2023 Lamborghini Veneno. 2023, brand new, and it's very nice. It's the future car. The headlights is actually very nice. The fender bender is actually nice also. And the wheels, look at that. Then the Lamborghini on the top is actually very nice. Then the back is actually very nice. It has four exhausts, and there's 3 overpowered cars. Okay, let's go for a test drive.